How to change the clock that appears on your lock screen. This is for the Galaxy A15 smartphone with Android 14. Let's do it. In order to change these settings, use the quick panel access and tap on the gear icon settings right there. Once you're in the main settings of your Samsung phone, go into the lock screen section. Okay, so you'll go down until you see lock screen right here. And once here now, you're gonna see the edit part for your lock screen. Tap on that one time, this will open this up here like that, okay? So what you're gonna do now in order to edit that clock here, you'll tap on it one time, it's gonna show this here. These are gonna pop up for you here now, okay? So one, you can change the style of font for your numbers on your clock itself. All right, so you can choose from one of these here like that. And of course, if you want some more style options, you can get this app from the Galaxy theme store known as the Good Lock app, okay? You have the different styles here. If you were looking for that there, okay? So it depends on which one you want, all right? Now you can choose a color that's gonna match your background of the wallpaper here by going through these here. And you have the color palette here where you can choose a solid color that's really gonna stand out on your wallpaper on the lock screen itself here, okay? And if you don't want any clocks at all, you can just have none or no clock right here if you don't want any, okay? Now, if you go with any of these here, you can now adjust the size of it, make it really big, and you can move it around to another part of your lock screen. But this is as far as it can go. But once you're done, whatever it is that you're done here, you'll press done. That's gonna be saved as your lock screen itself, okay? And just in case, if you go back here now, you don't want these little icons there underneath the clock, just tap on it and you can have it as none if you don't want them, okay? Like and sub.